Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be doing a 4.5 pound turkey breast in the Ninja Foodi. Today I'm using the 8-quart Ninja Foodi to cook this turkey breast. Come on over and let's get started. We're going to select bake roast. I'm going to turn the temp down to 350 and we're going to hit start. It's set, defaults to 15 minutes. I'm going to bump this up to an hour. I'm going to let this preheat while we prepare the turkey breast. So what you see in front of you is a 4.5 pound turkey breast that I picked up. I did rinse it under cold water and I just have it sitting on a sheet pan. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the skin away from the meat and you just use your fingers. If it's a bit tricky, you can actually take a knife and go ahead and do this. And all I'm going to do is separate the skin from the meat, the breast meat, just so I can get underneath there. And go up as far as you can reach. And you're just going to just pull it away. And do the same thing on the other side. Get your hand in there and separate. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and add some butter to this bowl. It's like 2, 3. All right, that's good right there. That's probably between 3 and 4 tablespoons of butter. We use this every year for Thanksgiving. We use the Bell seasoning. I'm not sure if this can be had everywhere in the United States. It's a mixture of rosemary, oregano, sage, ginger, marjoram, thyme, and pepper. And all I like to do is just like to put that seasoning in this butter. Just take a spoon and mix it up. You're kind of making like a compound butter. Now what we're going to do first is I'm going to flip this guy over and go ahead and go wash your hands. What I am going to do is take some of that Bell seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning that you want to. And I'm just going to shake it right into the cavity of this turkey. I'm also going to take a little bit of black pepper. Do that as well. I'm also going to take some kosher salt and sprinkle that right into the cavity. It's probably not going to stick, but that is A-okay. You're going to get your hands dirty. You can wear gloves if you want to. I'm opting to not. You're just going to take that butter and you're just going to stuff it under that breast, just like that. And since we made 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, we are going to use all of this butter up and just push it up into the breast. Whoops, some came out. And this will just baste the turkey just a bit. There we go. I am going to go ahead and turn this guy around. There's a little bit of butter left in here. I want to make sure I use it all up. Split it in half. Going to put some in there. And we're going to put some in there. The skin looks bumpy for right now, but that's not going to be an issue or a problem. I want to take kosher salt. We're going to put it on the outside of this turkey breast. Turn it over. You can be quite liberal with the kosher salt. Make sure you get all sides. It's going to add a little bit of black pepper. Try to get all sides. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to take that turkey breast and we're going to turn it down. And we're going to start with the cavity side up. Now we're going to take this turkey breast and go ahead and put it into the Ninja Foodi. This has been preheating for about 7 minutes. Going to take that turkey and I'm just going to pick it directly up. Place it in there, tuck these little arms in. And we're going to lower the lid. I'm going to go ahead and bump this time back up to 1 hour. This has been cooking for about 35 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip this over carefully. We're going to try. And if anybody can suggest an easier way to do this, by all means chime in and let me know. I'm going to grab this guy just like this and flip him over. Whoa, the butter leaked out. What a bummer. So there is the turkey breast, just like that. I want to push it that way. Now, I'm going to do a quick temp on this turkey breast, just to see where we are at. I hate to stab them, but I am. All right, we are up to 96 degrees, so we have quite a while to go. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and lower the lid and let it continue to cook. But we're going to keep track of how brown it's getting, because the temp is 350 right now, and I don't want the top to get too brown to where it's burnt. All right, so we have 11 minutes left on the hour. Look at that beautiful bird. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take another quick temp. Whoops, too far. Yeah, we're at 121. We still have 40-something degrees to go. So I think what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to flip this guy back over, because I don't want him getting too dark. So let's... There we go. Tuck this down. I'm going to go ahead and lower the lid. And I think what I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to tack on more time. So let's bring it back up to I'm going to tack on 20 minutes, which will... It's basically, I'm tacking on 10 more minutes. We have 5 minutes left on the cook time. It smells so good in here. Let's stick this in here and see where we're at. 142. We're going to have to go ahead and tack on more time. We're going to tack on another 15 minutes. 3 minutes left on the timer. Let's do a quick temp. This guy has got to be done. Oh yeah. Go ahead and shut your Ninja Foodi off. We're going to take that bird out. I'm going to use my silicone mitt because that seems to be works the best. And yeah, it just dripped all over the place. Look at this beautiful turkey breast. Bring it in. I'm just using the towel to prop him up because he keeps falling over. This came out really, really good. It's actually still moist. I should have done the math before I did this, but I'll figure it out and I'll write it on the screen. Let's do that taste test. This is super delicious. It's moist. I mean, it came out great. I did have a piece of the skin. It's crispy and delicious. The butter and those herbs basted the breast meat. It is wonderful. So please if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the notifications button. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, also Twitter and Instagram. Once again, everybody, I appreciate all you. Thank you so much. Turkey sandwiches tomorrow for lunch.